guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, today I'm explain how to export or import. So this is the Microsoft Excel file, and just order with nulls Excel file. So guys, this file I have just input Google Docs file. So click input and select your upload, click and select browser and drag here. Okay, open your this PC. So guys, I just can't find. So guys, I just order with nulls file. Okay, and click open, then just upload and import here. So replace spreadsheet. Okay, just input data. So guys, you can see how to exchange MS Excel with Google spreadsheet. So guys, keep watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video, so please like and subscribe our channel. Goodbye, see you next time, another new episode.